In this video, we're going to look at CoolWallet, which is an ultra secure cold storage wallet with the option to switch between cold and hot storage.
Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any money.
Let's get into today's video, guys. So here we are over on CoolWallet. As always, a link down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. Now, this is slightly different between anything you've seen before because it's an app that allows you to switch between cool storage or cold storage and hot storage. Now, you're probably not sure exactly what that means, so we're going to go through it in this video. So this is a very new and interesting product. And you probably are aware, if you've been involved in crypto for even the shortest amount of time, that there are a lot of scams about, there's a lot of hackers about who are looking to get hold of your crypto. So you've got to be careful because they're getting smarter and smarter all the time. And it's essential that we look after not just our digital cryptocurrencies, but also things like NFTs as well. So explore the Web3 universe with the coolest wallet. Now, obviously, as we move into Web3, there's going to be a lot of changes going on, and you're going to rely a lot more on cryptocurrency. And being secure within a Web3 environment is also very important. So with the CoolWallet app, basically allows you to own your key as well as owning your crypto. Self-custody your crypto and NFT with the best crypto wallet for both beginners and experts. Hot and cold equals cool. Now, if you're wondering what the difference between cold and hot is when it comes to crypto wallet, well, it's quite simple. Your wallet normally is connected to the rest of the blockchain. That's a hot wallet. While this is extremely convenient because it allows you to change different cryptos, it allows you to send and receive different cryptos very quickly, it can also be less secure because of this. And this may be not necessarily what you want. So if you think about every day you're carrying around your wallet, maybe you've got some cash in there, you have your kind of cards and things like that. If you want to go and buy something, you have access to your cash, but you don't take your life savings in your wallet because you could potentially lose it. And therefore, this is a very similar thing. Maybe you want to keep the majority of your larger savings in crypto in a cold wallet and have just a little bit everyday usage in a hot wallet. This is very cool, and this is what CoolWallet allows you to do, switching between two of these different types. So you can see that it comes with a CoolWallet app, which is extremely easy to use. Navigate between elite cold and hot storage with just a single tap. Manage your crypto and NFTs and interact with dApps or decentralized apps in one application, which is the CoolWallet app. And you also have the CoolWallet Pro, which is a unique, sleek design that offers convenience without sacrificing decentralized security. And this is basically a hard wallet. Now, these basically come in a physical form, and they're basically pretty much a credit card sized card, and they come with different features. So the difference between the two is CoolWallet Pro comes with EAL 6+ certified secure element, whereas the S is with just 5. And then the Pro also allows you to do different things like connecting to DeFi, to dApps through your Wallet Connect, and as well as being connected with 27 chains and 12,000 different coins and tokens. So no longer can you just hold, the main cryptocurrencies on these hard wallets, but you now have access to being able to do this on tons of different cryptocurrencies. And you can even do things like staking, you can get NFT in-app integration with Rarible and OpenSea, and much, much more. Now, if we look at the app itself, not only is it secure and speedy, but it also offers a variety of different factors. It gives you information, as you would expect with any kind of exchange or anything like that, on different rates for your swaps and things like that. You can enjoy the dApps and NFTs with ease by accessing them all through this very convenient app. You can see it's supported on a blockchain mainnets, and there's significant security, so you're never prone to hacks or anything like that. And as well as that, you can even upgrade your security through using these different CoolWallet Pro cards, which we've just talked about. And as you can see on this picture here showing the app at work, you've got send and receive, and this is extremely easy, guys. You can just share your code with someone else for the particular currency. Obviously, make sure that it is that particular currency, because if you send it to the wrong wallet address, then you're going to be struggling. But effectively, you can send these cryptos very, very easily, as you would be able to do with any like Binance exchange or something like that. But instead of like Binance, it's now significantly more secure because you can switch between the cold and hot wallets. Now, if we look into all the different products available, we can see all of them here. Now, you can come across through the link down below in the description, and you're going to be able to pick up all of these different cards today. And you can see that they all come with different appearances. These ones here, pretty much credit card size, so you can keep them in your wallet. And then you've got this one here, which is slightly different, but actually pretty cool. And they all come with different values. We've already talked about what each of these offers you before, and some of them are for specific exchanges. We've got Huobi here, You've also got crypto.com up the top. Remember, the CoolWallet Pro and the CoolWallet S are slightly different. The CoolWallet Pro basically coming with extra security features. When you look across to services, you can see that there are tons of different ways you can set up things like MetaMask, Wallet Connect. You've got 1inch and all these different exchanges down below, as well as being able to stake your tokens here. And these are all basically step-by-step guides on how you can do each of these things. So if you're not technical, do not worry, guys. As long as you can basically use your computer, you can come across here and you can be guided step by step on how to set all of these up very simply. And as we look across to supported cryptos, there's tons of different ones. These are all the different coins, all of the different chains. You've got here all the Ethereum networks, all of the different Solanas, Avalanches, basically everything you can think of. If you're at all concerned about a small cap altcoin or something like that and wondering whether you can get it in there, well, you'll have to come across and check out. All you got to do is go to the supported crypto tab up here. You can either search for a particular asset, or you can just click on whatever chain it's on if you are aware of that. So we already know a number of the different benefits, but ultimately it's a tamper-proof, ultra-secure crypto card that you can carry with you anywhere. Unlike some other wallets, which might be the size of an iPhone or something like that, this is very cool because it's just a credit card size and you can carry that discreetly with you anywhere, or lock it away in a safety deposit box in a bank or something like that if that's something that you want to do. And because of its size, it's ultra convenient. It means that you no longer need to carry your laptop around if you want to have any transactions. Everything can be worked through your mobile phone, through your card in an ultra secure way, being able to switch between cold wallets and hot wallets. If you want to find out more, everything is linked down below in the description as well. You can see their Twitter's pretty well established. It's been around for a while, and they're a well-known and reputable company who've been around since 2014, and this is why they are pretty much the leaders when it comes to this unique solution of being able to switch between hot and cold wallets. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, guys, hit the thumbs up button for me. If you're new to crypto, you want to find out more about crypto trading, NFTs, Web3, and much, much more, make sure you hit subscribe, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.